Out of 1,000 baby sea turtles born tonight, only one will survive to adulthood. And in Malaysia, one entire species has already disappeared. My name is Nik Muhammad Alfi Rizki, a Standard 5 student for SK Cyberjaya. And today, I am not just presenting an innovation project, I am presenting a solution. In the 1950s, Rantau Abang in Terengganu was known as the Kingdom of Leatherback Turtles. Nearly 10,000 nests were recorded every year, but uncontrolled egg harvesting, coastal development, and pollution changed everything. By 1993, only 2 females returned. By 2003, fewer than 2 nests were recorded. Since 2010, zero. A decline of more than 99%. We did not just lose turtles, we lost a natural heritage. But this is not the end of the story. On Redang Island at Cagar Hutang Turtle Sanctuary, something different happened. In 1993, a long-term conservation and research program began, led by University Malaysia Terengganu. At that time, only around 200 green turtle nests were recorded per year. Every nest was monitored, every egg was protected, every returning female was tagged and studied. Over the years, scientists collected real data, not guesses. By the 2000s, nesting increased steadily. By 2010, numbers had doubled. In 2020, Cagar Hutang recorded 1,731 green turtle nests, the highest ever documented. In 12 seasons, over 150,000 hatchlings has been released safely into the ocean. This proves something powerful. When science, data and protection work together, conservation works. Malaysia is not just one beach. Across our country, 4 species of sea turtles still nest on our shores. We have in Terengganu, Pahang, Johor and Sabah. Different states show different trends, some declining, some recovering. Proving that conservation outcomes depend on management, monitoring and enforcement. Malaysia remains a turtle nation. But if we become careless, that title could disappear. Despite recovery in some areas, turtles face 3 major threats: plastic pollution, illegal egg poaching, and climate change. A species does not disappear in one day. It disappears slowly, generation by generation. Turtles are not just animals. They are ecosystem engineers. Green turtles graze on seagrass, keeping it short and healthy. Healthy seagrass absorbs carbon and provides habitat for fish and small marine life. Hawksbill turtles help control sponge populations on coral reefs. Without turtles, seagrass become overgrown, coral reefs weaken, fish population decline. And when fish disappear, coastal communities lose food, income and security. This is why the United Nations SDG 14 Life Below Water calls for the conservation and sustainable use of oceans, seas and marine resources. Protecting turtle nests is not just local action, it is a part of a global responsibility. So, I ask myself a question. If we cannot control the ocean, can we protect what happens on our beaches? What if technology could become a silent guardian of turtle nests? Universiti Malaysia Terengganu carries a powerful motto, menurut ke seluas lautan. It means exploring as vast as the ocean. But exploration is not only about discovering new knowledge. It is about taking responsibility for what we discover. Because if we explore the ocean yet fail to protect it, then exploration has no meaning. So, I decided to build a solution. Introducing the Smart Shell Guardian. The Smart Shell Guardian is powered by an ESP32 microcontroller. ESP32 was chosen because it is low cost, energy efficient, and support wireless communication. The system reads 3 critical environmental readings: temperature monitoring, vibration detection, and AI camera module. Unlike traditional data loggers, this system operates in real time. This system does not replace the conservation teams, it empowers them. This is the Smart Shell Garden Turtle Nest Monitoring Control Center. The system currently monitors 247 active turtle nests across Malaysia, including Terengganu, Pahang, Johor, and Sabah. This live map allows conservation teams to track nesting sites in each state and monitor their status in real time. The dashboard continuously records sand temperature, ensuring it remains within the safe incubation range for healthy turtle development. AI detection cameras automatically identify mother turtles, human interference, and marine debris along nesting beaches. Environmental data analysis help researchers understand nesting trends, climate impact, and potential threats. When unusual activity or risks are detected, the Alert Center instantly notifies rangers, allowing rapid response to protect the nests. Smart Shell Garden transforms monitoring data into action for sea turtle conservation. If one beach records 1,000 nests in the season, and each nest produces approximately 100 hatchlings, that equals 100,000 hatchlings. If improved monitoring increases hatch success by just 10%, that means 10,000 additional hatchlings safely reaching the ocean. Even if only 1 in 1,000 survives to adulthood, that could mean 10 additional adult turtles returning years later. Small improvements compound over decades. The Smart Shell Garden is not designed for just one nest. It's designed as a scalable conservation network. Multiple units can be deployed across beaches in Terengganu, Pahang, Johor, and even Sabah. Each unit operates independently but shares data into a central monitoring system. Now elevate it over time, this creates a national or even better, a global nesting database. And Malaysia will be the pioneer for this system. This data can help scientists understand long-term climate trends and nesting behavior patterns. Malaysia once lost the leatherback turtle. We cannot bring it back. But we can decide what happens next. We can choose to protect our green turtles. We can choose science. We can choose innovation. The Smart Shell Garden is my contribution to a sustainable blue and green future. Not just to study nature, but to protect it. Because the future of our oceans depends on what we build today. Thank you.